Appraisal of REO and Foreclosure Properties. Chapter 3, the Foreclosure Process, page 14. Timeline in New Jersey continued.
Timeline in New Jersey. Continue. Day 177. Prepare and submit for filing default package to Chancery Track for review. The package consists of affidavits of service and summons, notice to State of New Jersey, certification as to military status, certification of mailing amended complaint, certification of inquiry and request, and certification of default. Day 193. Receipt and mail filed copy of default to all defendants via regular mail. Prepare certification of mailing filed copy of default. Day 195. In preparation for filing and serving motion for entry of final judgment, prepare and forward to lender to complete and sign a certification of amount due plaintiff. This needs to be in a specific form and contain specific information that is sometimes challenging to obtain from some lenders. Day 202. Finalize certification of amount due plaintiff and prepare motion for entry of final judgment. Day 203. Prepare and submit for filing motion and request for final judgment by default to Chancery Track for review. Full package to foreclosure unit consists of notice, motion, certification of amount due, certification re-mortgage loan documents, need to see the originals or at least have a custodian certification, certification of mailing filed copy of default, certification of search fees and service fees, certification of counsel, final judgment and writ of execution. Assemble certified copies of loan documents to be marked as exhibits. Day 229. Receive filed copy of final judgment package including the writ of execution to the sheriff and foreclosure service judgment package review and issuance of certificate of regularity. Day 236. Mail via regular mail filed copies of final judgment to defendants. Prepare and file certification of mailing filed copy of final judgment. End of page.
Page 15. Timeline in New Jersey continued.
Timeline in New Jersey. Continue. Day 239. Prepare and submit writ of execution package to Chancery Track for review, then to sheriff to process and schedule sheriff's sale consisting of writ of execution, concise legal description, announcements at sale, endorsement on writ, tax map and affidavit of consideration. Day 241. Sheriff processes writ of execution package, schedules, posts, and publishes sheriff's sale. Sheriff publishes notice of sheriff's sale once a week for 4 consecutive weeks prior to the date scheduled for sale. Proofread notice of sheriff's sale prior to publication. Prepare and file certification of proof of mailing notice of sheriff's sale serving all defendants via regular mail and certified mail. Day 257. First date scheduled for a sheriff's sale, 6 to 8 weeks from date of submission to sheriff's office. Prepare letter to all defendants and serve via regular mail and certified mail giving notice of new date for sheriff's sale. Day 257. Defendant's first request for 2 weeks statutory adjournment of sale. It is statutory and will be granted without question. Day 271. Defendant's second request for 2 weeks statutory adjournment of sale, also statutory and will be granted without question. Day 285. Sheriff's sale held. Read, Understanding how a NJ foreclosure sheriff's sale works. Day 295. Defendant's 10-day right to challenge the sale or redeem expires. Day 315. Sheriff prepares and mails to plaintiff's counsel sheriff's deed between 14 to 30 days after date of sheriff's sale. Day 320. Review and mail sheriff's deed to county clerk's office for recording and order title insurance policy to insure sheriff's deed. Day 324. Receive, review, and forward to client recorded sheriff's deed and title insurance policy insuring the sheriff's deed. Day 325. Provide client with Chancery abstract prepared by Chancery Track. Note the 325-day stated time, which is a best-case scenario. New Jersey's actual average time is over 1,000 days. End of page.
Page 16. Bottlenecks in the process.
Bottlenecks in the process. One of the major bottlenecks in the judicial foreclosure process is the fact that a lawsuit must be filed and adjudicated, that is, courts are involved. It is important to know that the legal procedures are governed by state law. However, the actual foreclosure process is adjudicated in the municipality, usually a county or parish, where the property is located. Some counties do not have the capacity to handle large numbers of foreclosures in an expedient manner. This was especially true during the peak years of foreclosure filings, 2008 to 2012. Even when foreclosure filings are not occurring in record numbers, sometimes a temporary bottleneck can slow these cases to a crawl in a municipality. For example, let's say a county has 3 judges who handle foreclosure cases. One of the judges passes away and is not replaced immediately, and another has a medical issue and does not hear cases for several months. This leaves only one judge to do the work of 3. Instead of putting on extra workers to handle the backlog, like would be done in the private sector, the cases simply pile up and it takes years to clear them out. This is one of the reasons why some foreclosure cases can take 7 years or longer to complete. Some states have taken measures to clear these judicial foreclosure backlogs, but many have not, largely because it's not politically popular. Imagine a politician standing up and announcing, "I'm introducing a bill that will speed up the foreclosure process in our state so that lenders can take homes away from borrowers more quickly." That's not likely. End of page.